This 97th non-Vulcan site shows 17 thousandths of an inch available to aspirate 250 nanoliters. 0.035 inches, almost a millimeter, to aspirate 500 nanoliters. Whopping 2 millimeters to aspirate 1 microliter. And a Gazonga 3.5 millimeters to aspirate 2 microliters. The channel block and 2 seals move down around the immobile red top piston and blue bottom cylinder, causing fine differential aspiration. Then the red piston follows the channel block down, allowing the bottom cylinder to close the airspace alone without offset for clean blowout. Superman could see and appreciate the husky top and bottom seal and the complete absence of any small piston or seal. A 97th see-through Cyclops sight has been added so the non-Vulcan mind can understand what the 96 operating sites are doing. A nice photo of a 1 microliter sample in a LabCon 50 tip in the conventional tip grabber tip option. Above shows 1 microliter drops in dart matrix tips, and below clean 2,000, 1,600, and 250 nanoliter drops after sequential aspiration of just those volumes and their contact-free Blastoff. Deska dead space kilomandrels were used in these LabCon 50 tips. Striking proportionality is seen in the 2,000, 1,500, 1,000, 750, 500, and 250 nanoliter drops after just those volumes were precisely aspirated by differential and then blown contact-free off cleanly in the single mode. Differential aspiration is carried out from 3 microliters on down, followed by single mode, contact-free Blastoff delivery, showing that there is accuracy and linearity down to a level of 170 nanoliters. Unlike the prior run, there is no Deska dead space kilomandrel in the tip here, so there's a lot more dead space to start with. And the single mode is used to aspirate samples above 5 microliters up to 40 microliters. Differential aspiration is used below 5 microliters. And this shows that after contact-free Blastoff, there is accuracy and linearity down to 600 nanoliters over this entire range. This is an interesting table before we converted to the P30 lookalike tips, showing the effect of tip type and diameter and dead space killer on the smallest volumes that can be reliably picked up and blasted off contact free and on precision.